can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Hi mga kabida, it's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alvin Morales, and we are here at Darjane's Garden. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Here at Darjane's Garden. Okay, so last March nung nag-open sila, and this time nag-open po ulit sila because for the tourists. Tara, samahan niyo ako. To visit Darjane's Garden, ang entrance fee po niya includes 5 pieces homemade cheesy pandesal and unli coffee. Okay, sa mga adults, 150 pesos. Students, seniors, and PWDs, 120 pesos po. Pag 8 to 10 years old, 50 pesos. And 7 years old and below, free po. Only at Darjane's Garden. Of course, we will observe the following. Wow! Sumasalubong po sa akin ang mga hanging plants po nila. Lipstick. Okay? Then, of course, meron din silang Nemo plant or dolphin. Wow! Marami ang mga lipstick here at Darjane's. Of course, hindi mawawala rin ang Indian beads nila. Okay? Hindi mawawala ang Indian beads. And of course, part of their protocol, you need to, okay, sign or you need to write your name para naman po for documentation, and it's a protocol. Few reminders also. Of course, face mask or face covering. Of course, we need to check our body temperature. Social distancing is a must. And of course, no chewing or spitting of mama, no smoking, and of course, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces and objects. So, ang minamarket po nila ngayon, my dear viewers, poinsettia po kasi yun naman po yung inya po ngayon. Okay, yun po yung pag-bloom niya this month of December. Kaya, nagtanim din po sila ng potted na poinsettia. May mga pink, may color white, and of course, yung common na color, yung red. Yung sabi nga nila, color of Christmas, ang red. Then of course, hindi mawawala rin ang signature din po ng Darjane's, yung sunflower. Kasi, noong February, supposedly, Si Uncle Dario Montes, nagtanim po siya ng mga 12,000 po na mga sunflower. But sad to say, they will use that supposedly sa Panagbanga Float Parade. Pero yun nga, walang parade na naganap. Kaya talagang nagulat din sila na naging tourist attraction ang Darjeeling because of this flower, sunflower. So we are here at Darjeeling's greenhouse and we will identify 6 kinds or types of poinsettia. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay, so we will identify the 6 kinds or types of poinsettia. The first in line is their magic glitters. Bakit daw magic glitters? It's a combination of color white and may mga variegated siya na puti. And take note, iisang puon lang po yan, okay? So, kaya siya magic glitters. And of course, hindi mawawala ang number 2, baby pink. So, bakit siya baby pink? The color itself and parang may pagka-dwarf yung mga leaves niya. Third in line, of course, yung color white. Okay? So, white poinsettia na talagang maganda nga siyang tignan. Hindi mawawala ang common na red star nila na poinsettia kasi ito yung color talaga ng Christmas. And of course, hindi mawawala ang glow in the dark. Bakit siya naging glow in the dark? Alamin natin. Ito nga, we are here in front of this one of the kinds or types ng poinsettia, yung glow in the dark poinsettia. Yung sabi nga natin, bakit nga ba glow in the dark? Kasi nagre-reflect siya at saka if you were to compare the color sa baby pink, yung baby pink parang light na pink pero ito dark shaded siya, okay? Kaya pala siya glow in the dark. Or hindi mawawala rin kasi month of Indian beads po. Okay. Tapos na. Month of December po, nagbo-bloom ang mga Indian beads. Okay, bakit siya naging Indian beads? Kasi nga talagang vine, yung mga white beads niya. Beads siya pag una din mag-bloom. Okay, December lang po nagbo-bloom ang mga Indian beads. Only here at Darjeeling's Garden. Of course, hindi mawawala ang isang types po ng poinsettia. Yung splash poinsettia po nila. Splash. Bakit siya splash? Kasi meron po siyang splash colors. Okay? Sa gitna nung poinsettia flower niya. Or leaves. Of course, hindi mawawala ang signature po ng Darjeeling's, yung sunflower. Bakit nga ba sunflower? Kasi helianthus po, okay, ang sunflower. Tapos, ito lang po na flower ang gumamit na word na flower dun sa flower itself. Okay, so meron po silang bagong variety na ating aabangan. Of course, yung color black and color maroon. So, puntahan natin. As of the moment, hindi pa po nagbo-bloom Okay, itong sunflower. So, saan galing po ito? Galing po sa ibang bansa. Like, for example, sa Taiwan or sa Japan. Okay? So, ito po yung black na sunflower nila or helianthus. So,
Black sunflower.
black sunflower or black helianthus. May mga maroon din sila, pero hindi muna natin sila mahanap kasi hindi pa nag-bloom. Ang maganda rin dito, of course, yung seeds nila ang tinatanim. Hindi po siya pwedeng i-cut. Okay, yung mga nodes niya. Kasi yung flower, or should I say, the seeds. Ito yung black pala. Yan. Ang naghihintay na maroon. Okay? Maroon na sunflower. If you were to compare yung leaves niya, talagang rare. Ayan. Overflowing brewed coffee po nila. Ito yung kasali po sa entrance fee nila. Pag nag-iisa ka, dito ka. Baka magka-jowa ka. Dito sa Darjee's Garden. What are you waiting for? Tara na. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that's the end of our tour here at Darjee's Garden. And may tourism development plan po sila dito. So maybe after 1 year, if you want to experience trekking, hiking, and other tourism activities. If you want to visit the said Banganay, of course, meron po silang pinaka-tallest, okay, na Banganay Falls. And of course, meron din po silang Binanga. Okay, Binanga Falls dito sa baba. So, ang dami nilang tourism development plan or plano, and hoping and praying, okay, magiging with the support of the Tourism Council ng La Trinidad. Shout out kay Sir Valred, and shout out din sa nagmamay-ari nito, si Uncle Dario Montes. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Alvin Morales.
I can fly.